Alrighty, a bit different than my usual content. However, I did pick up this original 1970 XLH Sportster. Is an 883 or 900, that's what they called it, but it's an 883. All original tanks, fenders. I mean, you probably even know that's from 75, I lied. But I plan on tearing apart the engine. The previous owner said it puked oil the last time it ran. It did have electric start on it. I don't know if it still works. I doubt it. However, it still has the kicker on it, so I'm probably just going to revert it back to that. Solid bike, no rust, with the exception of, the pipes. I mean, basic bolts, stuff like that. It looks really good overall, so I'm really excited to get this going, and I'll show you all the process of getting this all back together, torn apart, everything.